What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth. Listen, before I post this video, I want to say that I might get in trouble for posting this video, cause it's my mama's house, but I'm gonna post it anyway. Ain't nobody gonna know. Shh. I'm gonna do a living room tour and a kitchen tour for my mama's house, okay? I'm gonna get a whooping. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna go take y'all in there. Okay, y'all. So this is my mom's living room. I just want to show you guys how nice her house looks. This is the living room. I might get in trouble for posting this video. Yeah, this is her kitchen. I just want to let you guys see her kitchen. Oh my God. I'm whispering right now because I don't want to get no whooping. This is her dining room table. And look, my mama did those cabinets and that towel all by herself. Anyways, y'all, I'm just coming to show y'all real quick. It's a real quick video. And I would take you to the other side. I ain't gonna show you the rest of the house because I don't want to get no whooping. But that's what it looks like from here. My mama did those tiles herself. She did those cabinets. She painted them. She stained them, and she did all of that. And that is the other room over there. I'm whispering, y'all, because my mama in the room right now. But I wanted to show you guys my mom's house. Well, a part of it. Okay, y'all. And I'm gonna end this video right here before I get the taste slapped out my mouth.